So I hope you already read the title, and today we're gonna create a talking robot in Python. So without wasting this time, let's start. These are all the libraries we're gonna need in our robot. So we're gonna install all these libraries one by one, and you don't have to worry. I'll provide all these libraries in the description of the video. So let me just show you. Pip install play sound. So as you can see, this library is already installed in my system, but you have to install all these libraries. Requirement already satisfied, as you can see. So let me just finish this very fast. And just note one thing, just install all these libraries sequentially as I am doing in this video, because if you will do unsequential, then you might get an error. So just do it in sequence. So I am done with the libraries. Now just start with the code. From tkinter import asterisk from tkinter import ttk import pyaudio import play sound import speech recognition as sr from gtts import GTTS means Google text to speech, and now we're gonna create a window. Root equals to tk root dot title. I'm gonna give the title as Mr. Robot. Root dot main loop, and let's just run it and see. First let me save it. Probot.py. So here is the window, but it is very small, so I am gonna set the geometry. I am setting its height and width according to my comfort, but you can you can see it's now 520 by 400. Now let's just embed a picture in our window. Robot.png. I've already downloaded this picture. You can download it from Google or wherever you want. Now we're gonna embed this picture in our window. Robot.png. RBT equals to photo image file equals to, let me just confirm the name once more, it's robot.png, and then just read a label and root image equals to RBT, and let me place it x equals to 0, y equals to 0, and as you can see our picture is embedded in our window. So now let's just create a button. Root text, I'm gonna give the text as start robot. I think start is good. Okay, start, and command equals to lambda, and I'm going to create a function named programmer dot grid, column equals to 0, row equals to 0. Okay, now let's just see, is it, no, not semicolon, we don't do that here. Let's just try to run it. Okay, so button is also here. Now let's just create the function def programmer, not the semicolon again. R equals to SR dot recognizer with SR dot microphone as source. We're gonna use microphone as our source to listen the speech. Speak anything except swear words. And audio equals to R dot listen source. We're gonna take it in the audio. Now I'm gonna write some code which can throw the exception. So I'm gonna write it in try except block. Text equals to R dot recognize Google audio. So here is the code. Here's the line of the code where our audio is gonna convert into the text, and now we're gonna print it. You said format text except sorry, I couldn't understand what you said. Let's just run it. Let's start. Hello. Okay, it ran perfectly. You can see it's printed what I just said. So now let's just convert this text into the speech. Speech equals to GTTS, Google Text to Speech, and speech.save audio.mp3, and I'm gonna save this audio, and now gonna play this audio. Play sound audio.mp3. So now this robot can also speak whatever you said. Hello, I am a programmer.
Hello, I am a programmer.
So as you can see, it just spoke and also printed what I just gave it as a voice command. So let me just add something in it. So if I will say, hello, I am a programmer and I am single. So the robot will say, why did you say one thing twice? Are you giving me an example of polymorphism? So now this robot can do more than just repeating your voice command. Speech.save. Let me just save it and play sound. Else. And also just print this. I did say one thing twice. Are you giving me an example of polymorphism? Okay. So let's just run it. Start. Hello, I am a programmer and I am single.
Why did you say one thing twice? Are you giving me an example of polymorphism?
So now you saw it ran perfectly, and this robot can now do more than just repeating your voice command. It can taunt you in this way. Just if you like this video, just hit a like, and one like equals to one chance for me to get a girlfriend. And if you want to like, then I'll have to spend rest of my life with this robot. Okay.
Hell no, I am not gonna spend life with you.
Wait, are you still listening?